take a nap? Yeah. Do you feel better? Now that you took a nap? Tell me, what did you dream about? Oh. That was a good dream. Hi. You're a happy boy. Yes. Goodness. You don't usually wake up this happy. Must have been a good nap. Huh. Hi, Sam. Hi. Hi. Hey, bud. Hi. Yeah, you sweet boy. You're a sweet boy. You ready to eat? Oh, now we look like we're getting mad. Oh. Okay, we'll eat. It's time to eat. Okay. Say bye.